Another thing we see commonly is just different turf genetics, different Bermuda grass genetics. As you see here, this is a lot darker green Bermuda grass than what's behind us. It all comes out of the same sod field. But as Bermuda grass grows and it's put under different stresses, it genetically changes. It'll get finer it may get finer textured because of increased mowing or height of cut. If you mow really low, it'll get finer texture. If you let it to grow a little bit taller, it'll have more of a broad leaf and a little more of a coarse leaf. And sometimes you can see color differences. All came out of the same field, came from the same parent plants, but genetically over time they change. I think simply that's all we're seeing here. Sod was all laid together. Looks like it was cut out of the same area. The old sod lines look like they're uniform, like we're not looking at pieces. I think we're just starting to see we're getting into an edge of some genetic differences between the two grasses.